Hey, what's up, everyone? It is TechWares, and today is March 7th, 2025. I hope the audio for this recording is okay. I hope you can hear me because I've been having a lot of issues with my microphone. Anyways, let's get into it. Notch, who is the creator of Minecraft, continues to working on his new game and sharing even more work in progress screenshots. So I made a video on this a couple of months ago, actually, when Notch first began working on his new game. For those that don't know, Notch is a billionaire. When he sold Minecraft to Microsoft many years ago, it was like $1 billion deal. So Minecraft is a huge game. It pretty much changed the gaming industry, man. It changed gaming. It is one of the most sold games in the world. I think it's in the top 10 or something like that. Yeah, Notch is a billionaire, so uh, he was after he sold Minecraft, he kind of just did his, went to enjoy life, as he deserves and should. And then I think it was around last year, he kind of came back and just he was on X and he was saying that I'm interested in making games. I think he's just maybe always been tinkering with games, but he officially announced like, hey, I'm going to be working on a game, and I'm gonna pretty much like try to finish it. So yeah, this is his new game that he's been working on, and it's this article from 80 level, I think, 80 LV. Looks like Minecraft creators actually 100% serious this time around. Markus Persson, aka Notch, aka the father of the most popular sandbox game of all time, Minecraft, continues working on his upcoming retro-style, first-person roguelike, Levers and Chests. That's the name of the game, Levers and Chests. The game he chose over a potential spiritual successor to Minecraft. So I guess it's gonna be a spiritual successor to Minecraft. So it's not Minecraft 2. Of course, I don't think he kind of I don't think he owns Minecraft IP. He sold it, so he really can't create a Minecraft 2. He can make a spiritual successor. So a project he was 100% serious about earlier this year, offering one more glimpse into the development process behind the title with a new batch of work in progress screenshots. So this is one of the screenshots he shared. So yeah, Levers and Chess pre-alpha game. As you can see, it is sort of reminds me of like an old school, first person roguelike game. As you can see, here's your party. So you have this bear character. I think these are maybe randomly generalized characters. You have like an elf character, sort of like a wise sage mage, whatever. Maybe the truth is, I don't know. Seems like they have two swords, maybe dual wielding warriors or whatever. And here you have a bunch of items, inventory items. So yeah, this looks to be like a cave. You see a monster right there, a spider, some loot on the ground. So yeah, that's one screenshot. Another screenshot. This looks like to be, I don't know, like a graveyard area. You have the night sky in the back, sort of like a creepy character, ghost character. Yeah, some potions in inventory, boots, shield. I don't know what that is, like a bracelet or amulet or something. More shield, potion, swords, things like that. Of course, work in progress. Another screenshot. Now, when I first seen this right here, these like voxel, squares, or automatically thought of Minecraft. I mean, this just looks like Minecraft right here. This terrain, and it looks like the characters here are taking damage. You can see it's -2 to their health. Oh, there's a green health bar right there. I think that's the bar under that. The purple bar is like maybe, I don't know, for their mana or whatever, abilities. You have some helms in the inventory, so pretty alpha stuff, pretty cool. There's some monsters in the background. Another screenshot. Once again, when I saw this, I automatically thought of Minecraft, like digging down mining down like a mine shaft. It looks like um, pretty cool stuff. All right, pretty interesting. Here's another screenshot. I don't know what this seems to be, like a wheelbarrow or something, like pretty cool. Another sort of mine shaft and a tree right here growing into like the terrain. So yeah, let's continue the article, read it. So similar to the ones shared earlier, because he did share a lot of screenshots actually. I made a video on it, like I said, with some screenshots previously. So the new shots offer a look at levers and chests, voxel game world, user interface, and view structure. Described as procedural build. Okay, so it's not procedural, but made with procedural generation in mind. All right, not by Notch. I think he's developing this game by himself, along with several mobs, including a creepy schlop-sized spider and an even creepier ghost-like figure standing atop several tombstones. Additionally, the developer gave us behind-the-scenes look at Bitshift Entertainment. Okay, so that's his new, I think it was like his game studio, Bitshift Entertainment. Work on the game's rendering engine, showcasing some mesmerizing voxel fractals. As of now, the game appears to still be in pre-alpha. And as noted in our earlier coverage of levers and chest development, if its timeline mirrors that of Minecraft, it's possible that early versions of levers and chest could be publicly released as soon as this year, assuming pre-alpha aligns with Minecraft's in development. So here he posted a screenshot. I think this is some kind of like development. He says, actually, maybe I'll clarify. We're still okay. So he says we're. So maybe he's not just developing it himself. Maybe he has a small team. We're still not sure if this renderer is even sane. So it might not make it into the final version of Levers and Chest. I'm really hoping it's not sane, so we can use it. He shares some more screenshots of just development stuff. So yeah. Once again, Notch is a billionaire. He doesn't need the money, so he's doing this straight, just for passion. He's just a game developer, passionate game developer. These guy's a billionaire. Just developing a new game, and maybe hopefully he's developing the game that he wants to play, because that's how you make the best games. If you make a game for yourself that you like, that you think you'll enjoy, and others will enjoy it as well. If it's made from passion, it's usually going to be a good game. Because, passionate game developers make the best games. They're not just doing it for money. They're not just doing it, just developing because they're in a time crunch, and they have to make money. They have to release something, and yeah, looking forward to Lovers and Chests. I don't think it's going to cost a lot of money once it releases, to be honest with you. The guy's a billionaire. Probably be like, honestly, just from what I assume, what I think, it's probably going to be like under $20 or something. So yeah, excited for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You guys excited? You guys think this will be on the same level as Minecraft? Maybe it will be better than Minecraft. I mean, that's kind of hard to do, but pretty cool. Notch, Bitshift Entertainment, Levers and Chests, pre-alpha, hopefully coming this year, and we can play it. Take care, everyone. Peace.